Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And if this is your first time joining us today, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. What are we going to be making today?
A Rainbow Cat Cupcake.
A Rainbow Cat Cupcake. That sounds very colorful. We're probably going to be using all the rainbow colors, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we're going to be using our acrylic marker brush pens today, but you do not have to use these. You can use whatever you have laying around the house.
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, first off, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a heart right here. Good. And then let's draw another heart inside of this one. Okay, next what we're going to draw are the kitty cat ears, and that's going to be right here. And they're going to be kind of like these V's. Okay, and we'll draw one there, and then of course we need one on this side. Okay, and then inside of them, we're going to draw basically a triangle that follows the lines that we just made. So it's going to look like that, and this one's going to be even kind of like just a little rounded. Good. And same thing over here. 1, 2, 3. Very good. I like the little squiggly lines. Okay, and next we're going to work on the face a little bit. So we need some kitty cat eyeballs. 1 and 2. Very good. And then let's do another heart. That's going to be the nose. Okay, very good. And this is going to make it start to really look like a kitty. Okay, now let's start working on the actual cupcake part. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to make a line and a line like that. Good. Okay, next we're going to, basically what we're going to do is make 6 lines all the way down, and they're going to kind of get wider as they go, like it's the top of a cupcake. All right, so this will be number 2. So that was number 1. This will be number 2. Okay, and there will be the other one on this side. Good. And this will make a lot more sense when we color it. Okay, so that's 2. And then we have number 3. And number 3. Okay. And number 4. Number 4. Number 5. 5. Good. And the last one is number 6. And number 6. Very good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to bring that last one all the way across. Good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to make just the top of the cupcake. So we'll paint the bottom right here. Right along the bottom. Kind of like a U. So let's come up here like this and like this. Perfect. Okay, and now we're going to have some lines that go like this. And it kind of just follows the bottom all the way across. Good, perfect. Okay, and then what you can do is just make a line right here and right here. Good. And the last thing is this. And as you get closer to the middle, these lines are going to get straighter and straighter. And then once you start to go down the other way, they start to lean again. We're trying to give it like a little bit of a look like it's rounded. Okay, and the last thing is we're going to make this kind of like a heart cherry. So we're going to give it a stem right here. Well, I think this is going to be awesome. Let's go ahead and fast forward and bring our cat cupcake to life.
Yes.
Well, we are back from fast forwarding, and I don't think these could be any more colorful.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about what you were doing with your blending. I really like that.
So basically, when like the blue was wet, I put some purple and I blended it together.
You blended it with your finger. I saw that. That's a good idea. I never thought about that.
Yeah.
Well, what else do we have to do?
I think.
Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another colorful creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your kitty cat rainbow cupcake, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye for now.